Learner's progress. The next step after the feedback is to watch the learner's progress. You have given the learner a feedback. You have given him how to improve, and you have also given him some clues, some materials on how to improve in his weak areas. The next thing is address the learner's advancement towards a goal. Give the learner a goal. In your feedback, mention what you want the learner to do. You want him to improve his spellings. Okay, good, because he made many spelling mistakes. You also told him use the dictionary, use these materials, use these exercises to improve your spellings. You have given him many ways to improve his spelling, and this is the goal. So keep that in mind. Some teachers, they usually write down the goal that they give to the learner in order to have a note of it so that they do not forget that this was the goal given by them to the learner. So after that, address the learner's advancement towards a goal. See how much he is advancing. Is there an impact of the feedback that you gave to him? Is he going towards that goal? Is he trying to achieve that? Is he making some effort to improve his spellings? In case he has, appreciate the efforts made by the learner. Appreciation is like a medicine. It is like a tonic. If the teacher appreciates the efforts of the students or the learner, it is like a magic tonic for them. They love it, and they take it as the final note that they can do it. So appreciation, after watching and addressing that the learner is achieving the goal, is very important. So you must make a note of it, that if you see an advancement, if you see the learner is progressing, you need to appreciate his efforts. In other cases where you notice that there is no progress being done, please try to understand this person needs a focused feedback. That means the learner has not got the impact of your feedback. There was something which was not said by you, or maybe you said it, but it was not taken by the learner. So it has to be enforced again. It has to be reviewed. There is no harm in reviewing the feedback. It should not be a matter of hurry. The teachers do not need to be in a hurry to make this progress. Progress takes long time. Teachers need to be patient. If even it doesn't happen once, it may not happen the second time. Still, the teachers need to be patient. They have to look for ways in order to give a feedback which does have an impact on the student. Maybe the teacher has to use some other technique, some other tip to give the feedback. Maybe she has to change her words. Maybe the teacher has to use some other method, or maybe some other time to give that feedback to the student to make it more useful, till the time that the teacher notices that there is some advancement of the goal. Even if it takes long, even if it takes 1 year or 2 years, still the teacher needs to look at the progress in the manner which is very focused, whether the student is advancing towards the goal, advancing and addressing the feedback given to him. And then lastly, acknowledge the improvement made by the learner. Even if very small improvement has been made by the learner, do acknowledge it. It would not harm him. It will definitely be beneficial to him if the teacher acknowledges that the learner has taken his advice and the learner has made some improvement on getting the feedback by the teacher.